Open up your Midjourney Discord. Now select Imagine Prompt here. After that, enter your prompt like a cinematic still of Adrian Brody as a school teacher with the students as dead zombies behind him, like the movie Detachment but in the style of Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Now it will generate the image. Here is the generated image of your prompt. These are some more generated images based on your prompt. After that, create a new prompt such as a cinematic still of Adrian Brody as a school teacher with the students as dead zombies behind him, like the movie Detachment but in the style of Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Hyper-realistic 8K Zeus Otus 55mm f-lens, contrasting sharp color scheme to stand out. Here are the images of this prompt that Midjourney has generated. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.